Good evening students. In this video we will understand some applications of trigonometry, or we can say what is the practical use in day-to-day life, what is the use of trigonometry. And before solving numerical questions we will understand some basic terminology related to this chapter. So we will understand some terms. First term is line of sight. Line of sight. Very important terms. They are. First understand these terms thoroughly. What is line of sight? Suppose I am standing at point A and here is any bird or any plane is here and I am looking to this bird. Position of bird is P. So this line is called line of sight. In this case I am observer and this bird is object. So in word there are two things, observer and object. It depends upon context. Suppose it is a building and a person is here at this point and he is looking a car here on the road. Then this direct line is line of sight. At this time this man is observer is here and this car is object. And you can ask here, suppose a person who is inside this car, if he is also looking to this person, it depends upon context. Then you can take this person as observer and this person as object. So line of sight, definition of line of sight is, it is a line from observer's eye to a point in object. What does it mean? When the object is a point, then it is a line from observer's eyes to object. And when object is big, object is huge, then you can say it is a line from observer's eyes to a point in object. If the object is large, suppose it is a building, so you can see only its top or its bottom at a time. So that is why it is written, it is a line from observer's eye to a point in object. Right? So it is line of sight. Very simple it is. It is a line from observer's eyes to a point in object or to object. Right? Now we will see the second term. Second term is horizontal line. Very important. Horizontal line. What is horizontal line? Suppose it is ground line. We always take ground as horizontal, ground or sea level, whatever the context. And suppose a person is here and his or her height is given. उसकी height दी हुई है. Then what is horizontal line? Horizontal line is always drawn from the eyes of observer and parallel to ground. This is horizontal line. Suppose it is ground and it is a building and observer is here at this point. Then horizontal line will be drawn from his or her eyes parallel to ground, right? This will be the horizontal line. So one thing you have to remember that horizontal line is always drawn from the eyes of observer parallel to ground or parallel to sea. जो भी दिया हुआ हो, in case of sea it is parallel to sea, or in case of a ground it is parallel to ground, but it is always drawn from the eyes of observer, right? Now see, if you understand these two terms properly, then other two terms you can understand very easily, and they are angle of elevation, and both terms I am writing here, angle of depression, angle of elevation and angle of depression. What is angle of elevation? See, elevate means to lift, to elevate, elevator, angle of elevation. It is, I am writing its definition. It is an angle between line of sight and horizontal line. An angle of depression, here again you will write the same thing. It is an angle between line of sight and horizontal line. Now what is the difference? That is why I have written both the things at the same time. Angle of elevation definition is an angle between line of sight and horizontal line. Line of sight और horizontal line के बीच का angle है angle of elevation. An angle of depression, it is also angle between line of sight and horizontal line. See, in this case you have to raise your head to see the object. In this case, you can write here, when we have to raise our head to see the object. ऑब्जेक्ट को देखने के लिए आपको अपना सिर ऊंचा करना पड़ता है. When we have to raise our head to see the object, means object is above horizontal line. Here is object and here is observer, right? And it is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. It is line of sight. It is object. And it is, here is observer, and this angle is called angle of elevation. In this case, we have to raise our head to see the object. See here, it is line of sight, it is horizontal line. Horizontal line is always drawn. If the height of the observer is given, तो आप उस height से horizontal line draw करेंगे. And if the height is not given, then directly you can draw, you can understand that observer is here at this point and you can draw a horizontal line from here, right? Now angle of depression, it is the case when we have to lower our head to see the object. Means, see here I am drawing, and suppose the object is here. It is object and observer is here. Observer. To see the object, you have to lower your head. आपको अपना head नीचा करने पड़ेगा object को देखने के लिए. Because object is below horizontal line. In this case, it is horizontal line and it is line of sight. And this angle is angle of depression. Depression means depress करना, suppress करना, नीचे करना. So angle of depression. In this case, you have to lower your head to see the object. So what is the difference? In case of angle of elevation, object is above observer, or we can say object is above horizontal line. You have to raise your head to see the object. In this case, angle of elevation is formed, and when we have to lower our head, when we lower our head to see the object, means object is below horizontal line और ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिलो ऑब्जर्वर, ऑब्जर्वर के नीचे की डायरेक्शन में ऑब्जेक्ट है, देन द एंगल बिटवीन हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन एंड लाइन ऑफ साइट इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. Both are angles between line of sight and horizontal line, but in this case you have to raise your head to see the object, means object is above horizontal line, but in this case object is below horizontal line. You have to lower your head to see the object. It is angle of depression. So these are 4 definitions which are very important to understand the practical use of trigonometry. So just learn it properly. In your textbook at the last, the definition of these terms are given, to see it properly. Thank you for listening to me.